Hello everyone, so I am back with the observation question answers of chapter number 5. So we are starting with the very first question, that is we have to state whether the given statement is true or false. So first question is, all the plants can grow from the seeds? No, all the plants cannot grow from the seeds. Some grow by the vegetative parts also. So this is false. Next is, the seed can germinate. Seeds can germinate without water. No, seeds cannot germinate without water. So this is false. Next is, maize have been brought to India from South America. Yes, so this is true. It has been brought from South America. से seed है जो maize का वो पाया गया है. Next is, strawberry and grouse has long stem called runners. Yes, they have long stems. Next comes the baby plant within the seed coat is said to be embryo बोला जाता है उसको. Yes, it is also true. Next is, what are the necessary conditions for germination of seed? Seed के germination के लिए क्या क्या चीज़ें चाहिए? We need know that they need three things. One is air, other is water and sunlight. So also you can write air, warmth instead of sunlight, and moisture instead of water. Next is, what do you understand by the vegetative propagation? क्या होता है vegetative propagation? It is a process of development of a new plant from the vegetative part of the plant. जैसे when a plant grow from a leaf, that is the vegetative propagation by the leaves. When a plant grows from a stem, then we say it is a vegetative propagation by the stem. Next is, list any three ways in which plants propagate vegetatively. Vegetatively कौन कौन चीज़ों से? One is by the stem, leaves and the roots. Next is, name three agents which help in dispersal, and also we have to give their example. That is, first is wind. से कौन से? That is the maple, drumstick, dandelion also you can write. Next is by water, lotus, lily plant, also by lily का जो seed होता है, also by the coconut fruit, right? Next is explosion से, like pea हो गया, lady's finger, these all are dispersed by explosion. Next comes the diagram. Question number 6, draw a well labeled diagram to show the structure of the seed. This you can do by yourself. By the diagram you need to make it. Next is, explain the process of seed germination. क्या होता है seed germination? It is a process in which a seed grows into a new plant with the help of air, water and sunlight. That is said to be germination. Next question is question number 8. What are the advantages of vegetative propagation in plants? So there are few advantages. One is that by the plants which are grown by vegetative parts, they are exact copies of the plants जिनसे हमें उनका plant का जो vegetative part मिला है. जैसे we have grown a bryophyllum from its leaf, तो वो जो नए प्लांट ग्रो करेंगे बिल्कुल उसी प्लांट के जैसे दिखते होंगे एज द सेम एज द ब्रायोफिलम जिससे हमने प्लांट का लीव लिया. नेक्स्ट इज, प्लांट प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द vegetative propagation grow faster as compared to the plants grown from the seeds. जो plants vegetative propagation से grow किए जाते हैं, they are growing faster as compared to the seed. Seed से उगने के लिए germinate करने पे time लगता है, whereas plants grow by the vegetative propagation very fast. Next is, plants do not which do not produce seeds. जैसे banana हो गया, banana का seed is not available. So those are grown by the vegetative propagation very easily. Next question is, differentiate between monocots and dicots. We need to differentiate between the monocots and dicots. So beta monocots क्या होते हैं? They are the plants which have only one cotyledon, whereas dicots are the plants whose seeds हैं जो उनके दो cotyledons होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ मोनोकॉट्स में कॉर्न हो गया, वीट हो गया. वीट को अगर हम तोड़ के देखें तो उनका एक ही कॉटिलेडन होता है, वेयर एज जो बीन हो गए, ग्राम्स हो गए, अगर इनके सीड्स को हम देखें खोल के तो अंदर से दो कॉटिलेडन हमें मिलते हैं. क्लियर इट इज? सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस between these. So next question we will proceed in the next video. So I hope these questions are clear to you all. So thanks for watching. Bye bye students.